Okay, so mga Cardi, dito na po yung ating estudyante sa pangalawang layer. Pagkatapos po ng manure, naglagay na po sila ng sudas at isusunod na po nila yung rice straw. So at siyempre yung dry leaves.
Okay na, sir.
Okay,
Okay na daw.
dry leaves.
Dry leaves na. Yan.
Banana stock. Hello, banana stock.
Tapos ano, sir, masunod?
Okay, tama na yun. Basta.
Tapas.
Magtimplahan sa tubig na may fermented fruit juice sa likuran mga ayawin na. Po, so bali, sila yung unang pangkat na nakatapos ng kanilang composting activity. At ngayong hapon, bali, gaya ng sinabi ko, babalikan natin si Miss Rihanna para sa kanyang on-the-spot interview na may kaugnayan po sa vermicomposting. Okay. Okay, Miss Rihanna, how are you?
Good, sir.
Okay, so good. So, your activity today is all about what?
About composting, sir.
Okay, composting. So, can you enumerate the different material that you have been used for your composting activity?
Manure, rice straw, grass cutting, madidi cacao, madre de cacao, tapos, ano ba po, sir? Sodas, bananas po, sir. Bali, 7 po, tanan.
7. Okay, so, in preparing the substrate material for your vermicomposting, so how many percent are the brown material?
70% po.
70%. And what are those 70% of your substrate? Could you still memorize them?
Two sacks of 7 sacks of brown. Example of 7 sacks of brown is manure is 2 sacks of manure, 2 sacks of sodas, and one sack of dry leaves.
So all in all,
70%.
70%. The 70% of tin is how many sacks?
7 sacks, sir.
7 sacks. Okay, so exactly. Okay, so dito na po tayo sa setting up of your material for your vermicomposting. So what is the first substrate?
Manure, sir.
Okay, manure. How about the last substrate?
Manure. Two, sir, na manure.
Okay, tingnan natin tama.
Tama, sir. Tama, sir.
Sa yung last?
Yes, sir.
Sigurado?
Yes, sir!
So, ano?
Banana stock.
Oh, yeah, banana stalk. So, meron tayo ng 1 point. Okay. So, banana stalk ang ating last. Okay. So, what kinds of worm yung ginagamit natin for vermicomposting?
African. Sir, iya po, sir. Iya po. Basic. Ano po siya, yan lang po initial, sir, pwede? ANC po, sir.
ANC, yung worm na ginagamit natin. So, stand for African Night Crawler. Ayan, so ANC, yan. So, did you enjoy the activity?
Yes, sir, super.
Are you not afraid to worm?
No, sir. Kay permi ko man po siya nakikita sa garden ko.
Okay.
Ano po, dahil po sa worm, mas lalo po nagatabaan akong garden. So, mas habang po nagadugay po, mas dugay-dugay po, ginaalagaan ko po sila.
Thank you so much, okay, so for being the earthworm advocate. Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Rihanna Montes, for giving your time for our short or our on-the-spot interview. So, yan. So, you can now exit. Thank you so much sa mga ka-hardin. So, bali, tapos na po yung ating on-the-spot interview kay Miss Rihanna. Sobrang kinabahan si Miss Rihanna. Napansin po natin na talagang minsan parang hindi na makahinga. Ang putla niya. So, babalikan ulit natin si Miss Rihanna. Ayaw na daw. Ayaw nang tumingin ni Miss Rihanna sa camera. So, tapos na yung kanyang interview. So, ganun pa man, bali 1 point lang yung ida. Okay, so, -1. So, ano yung rating natin kanina? 94. So, magiging 92. Pero, since nagpangulak si Miss Rihanna sa interview, so, maintain na natin yung 94 plus 1, 95 na yung rating ninyo. Okay, so, ayan. Gagawin natin 95 dahil for the first time, nagpaunlak si Miss Rihanna for the interview.
Sir, boss.
Ayaw nga pag-awid ah.
Damo ay na next sa tubig net.
Ang masunod, madali kakao.
Adri di kakawain.
Wara. Ayan.
Sir, bosan ini sir.
Ubos na na.
Pabunya ka. Pabunya pa. Butang na to ah. Sir, para sa din yun sir.
Makikita na po natin ang gawain po ng group number 1 ng Seksyon Courage. Talagang napapatunayan po natin na kaya na po nilang gumawa ng vermicomposting kahit walang supervision ng kanilang guro. So, mamaya mag-interview tayo ng isa sa mga estudyante dito nakasali dito sa group number 1 kung paano po nila ginawa ang step-by-step procedure ng vermicomposting. So, sino po ba yung handa na dyan? So, si Mr. Gracio daw yung magpapa-interview. Dapat memorize yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng sabi natin substrate material simula una hanggang huli. So, kompleto na po ba yan? Ano yung kulang dyan? May kulang pa? Nahuli dito. So, bali, mabagal kumilos yung ating mga membro dito, lalo na si Mr. Villamor.
Ayun.
So, baka naman nanonood ka ngayon, pakitingin lang po. At i-like na rin po ang aking video.
Shoutout sila
Okay.
mga shoutout.
Shoutout po!
Pa-shoutout kay Christine Jean Belisario.
Mula kay
Mula kay Mr. Villamor. Yes, I love you.
sige daw, pwede ka magsabi ng special na mensahe.
I love you ba?
Sige daw.
Tuwing Sabado.
My love, sa araw-araw, palagi ka lang mag-ingat. Stay safe always.
Nakilig ako. Kini.
Sir pa.
Just me, sir.
Okay, introduce yourself to our
Ay,
camera.
nakapli na gali.
Opo, nakapli na.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nika Obindigorin from the section of Courage and Group 1. So,
Anong activity ninyo ngayon, Miss Nika? Bindi ko rin.
composting po.
Composting. Okay, so could you enumerate the different material to be used in vermicomposting?
The manure, the sawdust, rice straw, grass cutting or dry leaves, and banana stalk, and mud-rolled cacao.
Okay, so what are the sequence of the different material in piling up the different materials? So what would be your sequence?
At first, sir, pwede Tagalog? At first po, ginlinisan po namon na nimon, amon ni himuan sa composting. Then, second is, nagbutang na po kami manure. Then, bininyagan po namin ng fermented fruit juice. And then, second, after po sa manure, the sawdust. Then, amugya po na ginimo namon, bininyagan po ulit ng fermented fruit juice. Then, the third one is the rice straw. Then, another naman po, bininyagan po ulit. ng fermented fruit juice. Then, the fourth one is the banana stock. So, bininyagan ulit namin ng fermented fruit juice. Next, the fifth one is the grass cutting and the dry leaves. So, ganun ulit. Bininyagan po. Then, ang pang-anim is the Madre de Cacao. Bininyagan po ulit namin ang fermented fruit juice. The seventh one is the sawdust. Then, ganun po ulit. Ulit-ulit lang po na binibinyagan ng fermented fruit juice. Then, the eighth one is the rice straw. Bininyagan po ulit. Then, the ninth one is the manure. Then, bininyagan. And lastly is the banana stalk. Then tinakpan na po. Then, yun lang.
Okay, so question. Dito na tayo sa question. So, ayan pala, procedure pa lang yun. So, ngayon, dito na tayo sa questioning. Okay, so, bali, what kinds of worm are we going to deploy in your vermi bean? Nanong varieties saan aton worm na ibubutang, dida, o ilalagay sa inyong mga vermi bean?
Soil worm.
Wrong.
Ano kayong sabot? Worm, bulati ganin, Tagalog.
Bulatin Tagalog. So, soil worm.
Worm! What kind? Worm. What? Earthworm.
Wrong. So, bakit kailangan natin maglagay ng, sabi natin, ng manure sa ilalim at saka manure uli on the upper part prior to banana stalk?
Kay span po, pag nagbutang po kita sunworm, di ba ang banana stalk is malamig, then dito po sinda din. Then sabi mo po kanina sir, mapaidaron po sinda para manginaon sa manure.
Ano nga naton, nano kay kailangan igwasin manure sa darom, kag igwan manure sa ibabaw before an banana stalk?
Sir, kailangan may manure sa baba para may makaon sila sa baba. Then pag-abot naman sa taas, kailangan sa taas. Ang gapon sir, para may makaon sila sa taas. Okay. Tapos banana stalk para may igwasin na sa palamigan. Di ba malamig?
Okay, ano masasabi nyo sa answer ni Miss Nika? Okay, group. Okay, nano daw?
Okay po, okay.
Okay na po.
Let's go. So,
Good morning po, sir.
how are you today?
Po?
How are you today?
I am good. I'm still good. Buhay na buhay pa.
Okay, so what is your activity for this morning?
Our activity for today, for this morning, is the composting process on how to make a compost for your plants.
For your plant. Okay, so different material that are you using in your laboratory?
So, the materials are the manure, the sawdust, the rice straw, and dry leaves, the banana stalk, the Madre de Cacao, and the cutted grass, and of course, manure.
Okay. So, how many percent of brown substrate material is needed or required for your vermicomposting activity?
Around 70%. So in this case, we have 10 at least 10 sacks of materials. Kung 70% po is equivalent to 7 sacks. For the remaining 30%, which is the green po, is equivalent to 3 sacks.
Okay. So, what is the sequence or the orders of piling up your substrate material to make it as an ideal composting activity?
Before I answer that po, sir, after putting at least one material or one composting ingredient inside the pit, you should always remember to put a fermenting fruit juice. So, in this case, sabutan na po naman. So, the procedure po, the first one is the manure. The second one is the sawdust. The third is the rice straw or the dried leaves. The fourth is the banana stalk. The fifth is the cutted grasses. The sixth is the madre de cacao. The seventh is the sawdust. The eighth is the rice straw. And the ninth is the manure. And the 10th is the banana stalk. Back again.
Okay, so I already presume that you made mention about fermented fruit juice earlier. So you spray some amount of fermented fruit juice every layers of your substrate material.
Yes.
So and what kinds of worm are you going to deploy in your vermi compost vermi bin right after 14 days?
I don't know the specific kind of worm or a type of worm that we're gonna put in here because I don't have the information. But I think I can guess what it is, and I think it is a kind of worm that will help our plants grow big and strong, and a kind of worm that can help your plants develop into a more greater plant.
Okay, so I just would like to give you exact information regarding the worm. This is African night crawler. African night crawler is the variety that we are using here in this composting activity.
Thank you
So,
po, sir,
ayan.
for your enlightenment.
And another one na katanungan natin, so why do we need to use compost?
So, I think that to use if you want to, the reason why we use a compost in our plant is, I think the first reason kung dili na po nagatubo sa maayon inyo plants, dili, baski na po ninyo himo, sang nyo man dida, sang cultivate nyo, dili gapon nagaano. I think that your last resort is the compost.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Basco, for a very well comprehensive answer to all of the given question. Thank you so much. Okay.
Salamat.
Natin sa isang grupo na gumamit po sila ng mga kitchen waste or mga market leftover. So yung mga sabi natin silang produkto ng ating mga vegetable vendor. So ni-recycle po natin para magawang fertilizer. Tapos na po tayo mga ka-di ng ating composting activity ngayong hapon. Bali, 6 na seksyon ang nakapagsagawa na ng vermicomposting para po sa araw na ito. So mga ka-din, kung nagustuhan yung ating video para po sa araw na ito, huwag kakalimutang i-like, i-share, at mag-iwan na rin po ng comment at pakisundan po ako sa aking YouTube channel at Hardy Rongguro at pakipalo na rin. At maaari po akong bisitahin sa aking Facebook page at George T. Rapsing Farm at sa aking Facebook account at George Tobir Rapsing. So maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Bye bye, God bless us all and follow for more.